Love, we wait for this exact moment for a long, long time. But we also know that this time, this moment, will be happening in God's perfect time. And today is the perfect and blessed time for us. Maraming salamat, Panginoon.
What a beautiful life.
Hi love! Ito na ang araw na matagal na nating pinapangarap. Ang makasal sa tahanan ng Diyos. Nawa ay gabayan niya tayo sa ating buhay mag-asawa. Love, alam natin pareho kung paano tayo sinubok ng malaking problema. Pero ito pa rin tayo. Mas naging matibay at pinatatag dahil sa ating pagmamahalan.
On days when I'm afraid, I'll know you're looking down.
Love, patuloy ko pa rin gagampanan ang pangako ko sa iyo. Mula nung una pa lang, naliligawan ka sa araw-araw, pagsisilbihan at mamahalin ng buo hanggang dulo.
To recall our love story, walang matagalang ligawan. Pero alam mo, ang laging natatandaan, sabi mo sa akin, sagutin mo ako ngayon at habang buhay kitang liligawan.
You knowing that is all I want, all I want.
Love na kahit anong mangyari, hindi ka iiwan. Andyan palagi sa tabi mo.
Love for me is kung paano mo i-handle ang isang relationship even in the worst scenario. At saka hindi lang puro happiness, syempre. At kung kailan mo siya pinipili kahit na anong mangyari.
Today and every day, marry me. If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will.
Ang malaking impact po ang Panginoon sa buhay namin. Since na nagsasama kami for 6 years, marami kaming mga pinagdaanan sa buhay. Pero si Josh kasi isa siya sa mga tao na nagbibigay ng lakas sa akin. Lalo na meron na kaming baby. So, mini-make sure namin na sa lahat ng mga pagsubok namin sa buhay is nandyan kami palagi magkasama.
Kasi actually first girlfriend ko siya and hopefully last, syempre ngayon kakasal na kami. Ang number 1 factor na gusto ko sa isang babae is maka-Diyos. So, yun ang number 1 na nagustuhan ko sa kanya.
Alam ko marami pa kayong matutuklasan na mga ugali na hindi pa totoo. No? Kaya, never give up in trials. Learn to trust the Lord. That's why always a heart being grateful to the Lord. Salamat, Panginoon. Kahit hindi kami karapat-dapat, but you still being faithful to us. Tandaan nyo lagi, is also my advice for you, no? The 3 magical words. Learn to say thank you. Learn to say sorry. Learn to say please. Okay? That is really a magical word that relationship will last.
Hi, Daddy. It's me, Lucas. It's our wedding day.
Marry me today and every day. Marry me if
like a princess. She looks so beautiful. Here we come. I love you to moon and back. Mwah.
Marry me.
Mahal, love, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nagawa mo sa akin. Hindi lang dahil sa mahal mo ko, kundi tinulungan mo akong mag-heal. And eto yung lagi mong tatandaan na kahit na maputi ang buhok ko, lagi kitang mamahalin. I love you.
Every time I look in your eyes, all that I see is your love looking back. Well, maybe my bad luck and karma gave up when they saw you. Guess angels like you get a pass. So I'll hold on to you with all I have. 'Cause you are the reason you make me believe that heaven is here in my arms. You are the answer, you're all that I've asked for.
Saksi ang pamilya ko, ang pamilya mo, at mga malalapit sa atin kung paano mo pinanghawakan ang salitang iyon. In everything we've been through, I couldn't imagine my life without you. For every prayer I whispered to God, you were the answer I never expected but always needed.
What did I do to find someone
For
like
6 years that we're together, hindi mo lang ako minahal, inalagaan, at prenotektahan, but you helped me heal, soften, and believe again. And now our forever finally begin. Mahal na mahal kita, love. Finally, your wife, Jezebel!
'Cause you are the reason you make me believe that heaven is here in my arms. You are the answer, you're all that I've asked for. And I knew it right from the start. Yeah, you're everything right, you're the love of my life. Forever my light in the dark. Darling, you are the good part. You're the good part. You're the good part. 'Cause you are the reason you make me believe that heaven is here in my arms. And you are the answer, you're all that I've asked for. And I knew it